Hello everyone. On this special opportunity, today I am Mahesa Kasih Emanuela and I am as a representative of Group 2 with topic Q optimization will represent you all about a bibliometric analysis of virtual queue optimization application research using PostViewer. And this discussion to fulfill one of the final assignment in the technology concept on Science Talk section. Before that, I will display what content will be discussed on this presentation. The first is abstract and then introduction, followed by objective. After that, will talk about methodology. Into the main discuss is result and discussion, and the last is conclusion. The first is abstract. In an increasingly connected and complex world, queuing systems are now widely used to optimize service performance and facility usage. Queuing is a branch of applied mathematics used to predict the behavior of lines, also known as queues, such as line length over time and the average time a person spends waiting in line. In this study, we conducted a bibliographic review of virtual queue optimization research from 1979 to 2023 using data from the Scopus database. The analysis includes 430 documents from 46 countries. These results indicate that interest in publication regarding virtual queue optimizations has been limited over the last 44 years. The largest contributor is China, followed by United States, and Chongqing University of Post and Telecommunication is the main institution. This study provides insight into research trend regarding virtual queue optimization and support further research. This article describes overall current virtual queue optimization topic on global research. However, several limitations have been noted, including exclusion of publication from other databases and exclusion of some publication based on specific search queries. Introductions. The importance of queues optimizing service performance and facility use. In an increasingly connected and complex world, queues are needed to optimize service performance and facility use. This existence of queues aim to provide better comfort to every visitor or user. Queuing is a branch of applied mathematics used to predict line behavior, such as line length over time and the average time person spends waiting in line. Queuing systems are now widely used to model many engineering systems, such as communication networks, logistic management, manufacturing system, and transportation system. Therefore, optimizing the performance of queuing system is important in practice. 2. The negative impact of queues on customer satisfaction. However, queues also have a negative impact on customer satisfaction. Even if capacity is able to meet average demand, queues usually still occur due to fluctuation in arrival and service times. Fluctuation causes high queues. 3. Use of virtual-based queues in various real-world applications, such as traffic management, network, research management, and power system control. To optimize in queuing system, we can use virtual-based queues. A virtual queue can be defined as an invisible line of passengers waiting to enter a physical queue. Virtual queues are becoming increasingly important in many real-world applications. This problem arises in various contexts, such as traffic management, network resource management, and power system control. 4. Utilization of virtual queues to track incomplete data requests in the current time slot and execute these requests in the next slot. 5. Use of virtual queuing techniques to minimize dynamic power consumption while meeting long-term quality of service constraints. We can utilize the virtual queue to keep track of data requests that have not been complete in the current time slot and execute these requests in the next slot. In this way, we can satisfy the quality of service constraint by stabilizing the virtual queue. In addition, we can utilize virtual queuing techniques to solve dynamic power consumption minimization while satisfying long-term quality of service constraints. 6. Virtual queue-based method to achieve optimization goals while satisfying long-term collision constraints. We can use the virtual queue to track the number of collisions occurring in the sensing channel. And if the virtual queue is stable, it means that the average entry rate is not greater than the average serving rate. Therefore, according to our proposed virtual queue-based method, we can achieve the optimization goal while meeting the long-term collision constraint. Objective. First, quantitative analyzing of journal publication to measure and analyze various aspects of written communications, such as number publication, keywords, and country of publication. Second, collect historical data on virtual queues, including service time, waiting times, and other relevant information. Third, process data with Excel and FOSS-Viewer. Fourth, make a graph of the number of publication, year of publication, country of publication, and bibliometric using FOSS-Viewer. The next is methodology. The bibliometric analysis method is used to examine and identify publication trends and patterns in the literature of virtual queue optimization. Bibliometric is statistical quantitative tool to examine publishing trends of academic documents, such as research papers, conference articles, and other types of documents. This research uses Elsevier Scopus database as the data source used in the bibliometric research. Scopus is used in the research because Scopus is the largest abstract and citation database owned by Elsevier and has a wider coverage of bibliometric information compared to the other search. The virtual queue optimization research covered 430 documents in the span of years from 1979 to 2023, with 159 authors from various countries. The journal collection data from Scopus was then processed in Excel, along with processing occurrence and authorship relationship through FOSS-Viewer to show clusters and connecting threads. The next is result and discussion. The first we'll talk about publication growth rate of virtual queue optimization research domain from 1979 to 2023. Data analysis is to examine and analyze truly to get the number of publications on queue optimization each year. We select the year column in the Excel column. We apply the formula in Excel to get the number of publications each year. From the information obtained, we can easily visualize and predict the growth and trend of the number of publications in this year and the coming year by using diagrams. From data analyzing, a result is obtained from 1979 to 2023. 430 journals has been collected regarding of virtual queue optimization. And in year of 2018, which has the most publication with 49 journals. Next, we talk about publication distribution of virtual queue optimization researched by 11 countries. The data from this study has been published by 47 countries. The highest publication is China with 175 publications and a percentage of 32.64%, followed by United States with 106 publications and a percentage of 19.77%, and then India with 41 publications and a percentage of 7.64%. The next is co-authorship map function of virtual queue optimization research by domains by FOSS-Viewer. The data from this study has been published by 1,379 publications from 159 authors. With the author with the most publication is Tang L with a total 7 publications, then Chen Qi, Wang X with a total of 6 publications, and the third rank is Chen X with a total of 5 publications. The next is publication distribution of virtual queue optimization research by 11 affiliation. The data has been by 128 publications from 15 affiliates, with affiliates with the most publication from Chongqing University of Post and Telecommunication with 14 publications, followed by affiliates Beijing University of Post and Telecommunication with 12 publications, and the third rank is Zhejiang University with 11 publications. The next is we will talk about analysis of the terms of occurrence by FOSS-Viewer. Citation analysis is a network that shows who cite whom and can be based on authors. documents, and etc. In the study, we use citation analysis based on country, organization, author, journal source, and reference. Citation analysis is used to determine the bibliometric analysis of the occurrence of keywords in the title and abstract as well as the occurrence of author keywords. This is expected to give us a clear picture of future keyword optimization trends. This analysis is done using the Fast Viewer software. Once open the software, we can get the option to create a new file, after which we are required to select the option Create Map based on bibliographic data. Next, we have to select the Read Data from File Manager option, then we upload the RIS file. Next, we talk about cluster 1. Mark with a pink circle on the network map. Features with 14 items with resource allocation as the main focal point. With a total strength of 228, resource allocation dominates with 55th occurrence. Top 2 in this cluster is quality of service with a total link strength of 212 and 49 occurrence, followed by LiveNode optimization with a total link strength of 209 and 49 on this cluster. Optimization is the highlight keyword. Next is cluster 2, is marked with a blue circle, which includes 9 other items related to scheduling. Scheduling dominates with a total link strength of 314 and 78 occurrence, followed by cloud computing with a total link strength of 175 and 47 occurrence. Energy utilization ranks third with a total link strength of 170 and 36 occurrence. On this cluster, scheduling is the highlight keyword. Next is cluster 3, marked with a red circle, which includes 7 items related to queuing theory as its main point of focus, with a total strength of 348 and 114 occurrence, followed by virtual reality where it has a total strength of 133 and 41 occurrence. In the third rank, network function virtualization has a total strength of 109, 6, and 18 occurrence. On this cluster, queuing theory is the highlight keyword. Cluster 4 is marked by green circle, which includes 6 items. In this cluster, the main focus is optimization, which has a total strength of 522 and 166 occurrence. And the second rank is occupied by algorithms, having a total strength of 111 and 36 occurrence. Then in the third rank is computer simulation, which has a total strength of 73 and 25 occurrence. On this cluster, optimization is the highlight keyword. And last, cluster 5 is marked by a yellow circle, which has 5 atoms in it. In this cluster, the main focus is wireless networks. A total strength follow 91 and 22 occurrence. Then in second place is virtual queue, which has a total strength of 19 and 27 occurrence. Then in the third rank is occupied by optimization problem, which have a total strength of 62 and 70 occurrence. On this cluster, virtual queue is the highlight keyword. And the last part, if we talk about conclusion. Overall, this study represents a bibliometric review of virtual queue optimization research over the period 1979 to 2023. The analysis data was obtained from the Scopus database, which has been widely recognized by researchers for providing standard and high-quality information. A total of 430 documents from 46 countries or regions around the world were collected and analyzed. The results show that interest in virtual queue optimization publication has not been very high over the 44 years. Based on the number of publications, China is the largest contributor, followed by United States. In addition, this institution with the most publication contributor is in China, namely Chongqing University of Post and Telecommunication. This work is useful for understanding research trends on virtual queue optimization and provides support for further research. However, some limitations were found in the study. Publication index in the other database may not be considered In addition, some publications on virtual queue optimization were explored using the specified search query. And that's all from me. Mahesa Manuela, represent you queue optimization, especially virtual queue optimization, and talk about application research using FastViewer. Thank you for watching. This represent of my team. Thank you.